Hi everyone, this is Melanie from Inner Sun. Today I have a yoga class to help you open up your chest and bring flexibility to your back and your spine so you can have better posture. For today's class, you will need either a belt or a scarf. And before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing so we can continue making this type of videos for you. So we're gonna go ahead and start by sitting down on your mat. I'm gonna be on my side so I can show you how this looks like. Sit tall. Start by tuning into your breathing pattern. Ground both of your sit bones. Imagining the crown of your head reaching to the sky overhead. We'll start by bringing movement to our spine in a seated spinal rotation. Infuse your breath with the movement. Big circles forward, inhale. Complete the circle back on the exhale. Continue this direction about 3 more times. And go ahead and switch direction. Follow your breathing. And notice how you feel in your low back, upper back, and your spine. Just take notes. Good job, everyone. Come back to center. Sitting cat-cows. Inhale, pop the chest forward. Exhale, round the spine. Tuck the chin in a bit. Inhale, chest forward. Deep exhale back. Now bring your arms to move with you. Inhale, cactus arms. Exhale, round the spine. Bring palms towards each other. Again, inhale forward. Deep exhale back. Continue with these movements. Continue with your breath. Two more rounds here. Inhale forward. Exhale back. One last one. Inhale, cactus arms. Exhale back, round the spine. Excellent. Come back to center. From here, we're gonna do side bend. So bring right palms on the floor, left fingertips overhead. Breathe here. Take notes of how that feels on the side ribs. Excellent. Come back to center. Bring palms up. And then bring your palms towards the back. Pop your chest up. Excellent. Now go ahead and do a side bend on the other side. Take notes of how that feels on the side ribs. And use your breath to open up and release. Excellent. Come back to center. We're gonna go ahead and bring gentle movements to our shoulders. Roll shoulders back gently and slowly with your breath. Three more times this direction. Excellent. Come back and go switch direction. Roll them forward. Good. From here, we'll do a shoulder stretch, starting with your arms across, your right arms across. Hold here for 15 to 30 seconds. Make sure you're standing upright. Tighten your core. Now go ahead and switch arm. Fifteen to 30 seconds here. From here, we're gonna do tricep stretch. I'm just moving around so I can show you how that looks like. Tricep stretch. 15 to 30 seconds here. Keep breathing. Tighten your core to protect the back. Go ahead and switch side. Breathe deep from the base of your spine. Excellent. Release the hands. Now grab your belt or your scarf. Go ahead and wrap the scarf or your belt in your hands. If you have a longer distance, this will feel a little bit easier to start with. So we're gonna start flossing. Inhale up and to the back. Exhale, bring them forward. And you don't have to sit on your heels like I do. You're always welcome to sit comfortably. Crisscross. Half lotus. Bring movements with your shoulders. Tighten your core here. We're just moving our shoulders and breathing here. Do about 5 more rounds on your own. And adjust the distance between your palms as much as you need. If this feels too tight or hard, or if that feels easier, go ahead and bring your palms closer, just like that. Take notes of how that feels in your upper back, in front of your chest. Excellent. Now you can go ahead and release this for a moment. From here, we're gonna do an exercise where you will bring your palms towards each other. So it looks like that from the back. Again, make sure you sit tall and tighten your core. This could be just a very, very small movement also. So don't worry about how it looks like. Just we're bringing more flexibility in our front of the chest. Keep breathing and pulse here. Excellent. Now go ahead and hug yourself. Right arms overhead. Three breaths here. Go ahead and switch side. 3 breaths here. 3 deep breaths from the base of your spine. One last deep breath here. And release. From here, start seeing if you can clasp behind your back. Just like that. If that feels impossible for now, go ahead and use your scarf or your belt. And see if you can bring movement up and down. Again, tighten your core here and focus on your breathing. This could be a very, very small movement also, so don't worry of how it looks like. Over time, the front of your chest area will open up more. Feel this in your shoulders. Feel this in the front of your chest. Opening. Excellent. Go ahead and release. And we're gonna close this practice with 3 deep breaths. Inhale, bring the palms up overhead. Look up, exhale, release, ground it down. Again, inhale up. Exhale, release. One last one. Inhale up. Bring palms together. And bring palms in front of your heart. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you get the benefit of opening your shoulders and the front of your chest. I recommend you do this at least 3 times a week to feel the progression and the benefit in your posture. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe, like the video, share it around with whomever may benefit. And until next time, I wish you a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Namaste.